Today we're gonna have a lot of fun at the beach. Olette is on lifeguard duty, keeping everyone safe.
Yay!
Why don't we head over to Olette and see if we can help her? Hi, Olette! Wow, it's so hot, isn't it? There's Hoopa. You sure have brought some nice things to the beach today. Look at those lovely colors. You're going for a swim now? Good idea, Hoopa. It might help to cool you down.
Yay!
Uh-oh. There goes all of Hoopa's stuff.
Uh-oh.
Olette, Hoopa can't find his things. Can you help get Hoopa's stuff back? Great! Let's get started. Hoopa had a red umbrella. Can you see it? There it is. And now we need to find Hoopa's green beach towel. You got it! And what about Hoopa's pink flip-flops? Awesome! There they are. What else did Hoopa leave behind? Oh yeah, the cool sunglasses! Do you see where they are? That's right! Mr. Krabs got them! Great job, everyone! Hoopa has his stuff again, and now Olette can go back to watching the beach. Why don't you come back and help Olette next time? See you soon! Bye-bye!